So you might be trying to figure out if you can actually use Apple Pay on your iPhone without actually going through and double clicking on your side button. Now, the short answer of this is there's not really a way to do this. The security measures within iPhones, you have to basically double click and have the correct controls of your iPhone in order to actually unlock and invoke, Apple Pay. Now, there's a kind of some workarounds with accessibility and assistive touch and all those things. But if you're just trying to basically use your iPhone and then basically unlock Apple Pay, you can always just hover your iPhone over a terminal that you can pay for. So let's say this was a terminal like right here. What I can do is I can bring my iPhone over that specific cash register terminal, whatever, and then my Apple Pay should automatically pop up. So without me even double tapping right here, I could hover my iPhone over that payment terminal. I should be able to see a pop-up come up on my iPhone, and from there I just need to use Face ID or my Touch ID passcode in order to actually unlock it. So that is kind of an option that you have. It isn't the only way to do it. Like I said before, there's an option and a method between within assistive touch, but I'm not able to get it to work for me. I don't know what's going on with it. It's kind of a little weird, but you can kind of mess around with assistive touch and maybe get it to work. But even then, I wouldn't really recommend doing that either, because then if somebody gets a hold of your iPhone and essentially, tries going through and actually using, Apple Pay, they may actually be able to unlock and use Apple Pay even without your permission. So really, I would recommend just not even trying to do that. It is a security measure that Apple puts in for you to double tap here, and then you can basically unlock Apple Pay. So that's just one thing to kind of keep in mind there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.